You're my camera guy today.
All right.
Everything you guys record is what I'll use.
Okay.
So don't screw it up.
Charged? Yeah, we are. I'm squidding it up today. Look at that. It's full-time squid. The guys just headed off. They are doing a run. I'm exploring a little bit before I go to the coffee shop. And BW people hate when I squid it up too. So I am I didn't get my rest day 2 days ago. I didn't take a rest day at all. I was still out went out with them, and it was an easier day. But no, it wasn't. We did corkscrew on my rest day, and so you know I've been okay on this trip, but I'm starting to get a little tired. Not having a day off yet, and wrangling this thing is a lot harder than what they're going through. So, about 3 days ago, I was fixing my shifter. I was squatting for a while, and I've talked about this before, but when I squat for a long period of time, like crouch down to work on the bike, I tend to compress my left and my right tendon on the front of my ankle, and it basically like seizes up, and then I can't bend my ankle that way for like 4 or 5 days. Well, my right leg's doing that right now, and it's on day 4, so it's getting better, but if I like compress it seriously, it's gonna hurt. That was fine. I worked through the pain. The boots to help because it's been a lot of movement. And then the past 2 days with all the whoopties and the you know, me trying to wheelie and stuff, has both of the tendons on the top right here. These are both really sore. Like this hurts that hurts to bend. When you combine that with the fact that I've got knobbies that are kind of falling apart, I'll take a picture of them in a second. My knobbies are starting to peel away from the rubber from all the aggressive riding we're doing. That I decided to tell the guys, this is a short day today. This is a wrap-up day. So they're riding from 9:30 to 12, so 2.5 hours. Really short loop. I'm gonna go up here.
I was trying to figure out how big Moab is, and I thought the drone would be the best use of that. So this is Moab. This is where the green stops, where a Moab stops. So as far as the people actually like living, it's this little tiny green valley. It's pretty cool looking, but incredibly small. I mean, there's a high school on the right. It takes up like 10% of the land area, but still pretty neat to see it kind of like this. But yeah, it's a really tiny desert oasis. Oh, and yeah, so this is kind of this is a quote time lapse. These are the guys out riding. They went on some really gnarly stuff, supposedly just like a crap load of sand. And so this is the Hero Session 5 facing backward. And I heard they had a really rough time.
Oh! Edge, taking it easy. This is some deadly shit. Loose rock, gravel. This is the chicken run out of Moab, out to Chicken Point or something like that. Chicken Ranch something. Oh yeah. Yeah, keep going. This might be getting sketchy, but whoa. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. You need a hand? I don't know. I'm gonna pick up to about in the fucking hole. I can't get out of. Oh shit. I just feel nervous. I feel nervous, honestly. I'm tired, there's a lot going on with my mind. Yeah, there's the spire. Yep. Okay. This way to a little bit
rock ledge where people walk out around.
Yeah, yeah, it's
In the shade. There's a granola bar, has some water.
yeah, it's just behind that thing.
Sure.
There's a spot. He found some shade. The wind has eroded this the middle of the plateau. I guess if you're ready to die your knees, you can come up here and sleep, I guess. Find some shade and rest it. Yeah. Oh, it feels nice. Holy moly! Woo!
All right, so we're in Lake City, Colorado now. This, man, this camp spot, guys, you're gonna see it in a minute. It's the best, or sorry, most picturesque campsite we've ever been in before. Look at this. We're camping right on that little hill over there on the left. Just gorgeous. You guys got to stay here. It's a county land. Look at this. Fuck. So nice.
All right.
So where am I camping? You said right over there?
Yeah. Well, there's the elk camping spot because they sleep on mountain edges.
Oh.
There's the bighorn ram camping.
Yeah.
You could sleep there.
Yep.
There's the antelope camping is somewhere over there.
Look at that.
That's what he's saying. He's saying right there.
Yeah.
Lady got back to us with the wallet.
Oh, good.
She emailed back and said, "Can you ship it to here? Thank you." She said, "Should I send you some money to cover postage?" And I felt like replying back with, "I'll just take $20 out of your wallet."
No worries. I'll just take $20. Was there money in there?
Yeah, the $21 in there, something. Yeah.
I'll just take the $20. You get it back.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna. I'll reply to her email like tonight or tomorrow and just say, we'll ship it when we can. But you know. All right, I guess I gotta pack some of my tent. I'm going. Yeah, I'm going for the hill.
You're going for the elk?
I'm feeling. No, not the elk. I'm going for the bear hill.
You're gonna elk it? Bottom all spread out so you don't fall over.
Yep.
1 2/3 cups.
You got your spoon?
Got it.
That's pork. It's beef jacking off night. We saw that Arby's, and I was like, we should stop. He was complaining about being starving for like an hour. But the stop was the Arby's. He's like, no, that's just what you said. It's a brick or something. Like just a brick.
I had a chicken sandwich. It was really good.
Well, he went there once, and they said, "Do you want the extra large?" He said, "Sure." And it's like 12 ounces of beef.
Oh, like,
Oh,
like
time I do, I ended up peeling it up and throwing out more than half of it.
Yeah.
Pubescent parties, you know, where someone snuck a bottle in and we'd watch it. So I was probably 13 or 14.
It's windy. I had to scramble to put the fire out. We can have fires here. There's a statewide fire ban, but for some reason this county is saying we can have fires. And the wind really picked up, so we put Pete on the fire and put it out. Now pulling Harry's tent down. Yeah, so that wind's really picking up pretty strong. So I'm walking down to my unregulated tent site. Whew. Last night here in Colorado, by the way. Tomorrow night we leave, go to Kansas. Oh, there's my hand. It's like the alien. Lake's down there. You can't really see it, but lake's down there. Oh, get this shit in here. Boom, boom. By the way, the one thing that has Big Agnes continues to fail me is this freaking SLX Core mattress. And I mention that because this mattress, I've already had to patch it once, like last week, and now it has another hole in it. I wake up to it flat again. It's really annoying. I don't know how normal it is for these mattresses to lose their air, but this one loses its air quite fast. See? It was full earlier. It's really, really, really annoying. Usually their Big Agnes stuff is top quality, but this SLX Core insulated, comfortable when it's not has a hole in it, but yeah. All right, I'm signing off for tonight. Day 5 is in the books.